Do you own a WYZE doorbell? Did you know that it can notify you via your phone when someone rings the doorbell? A great feature if you happen to be away from home but would like to know who's at your front door. If you're home, you don't need this, but when you're away from home, it's a great way to keep an eye on what's happening at home even though you aren't there. This works through VoIP, Voice over IP protocol, but you have to make some changes to your WYZE settings. Let's go through it and let me show you how that's done. Open your WYZE app. When it opens, go to Account. Once Account opens, the next thing we want is Notifications. Once this opens, we want Push Notifications. And once this opens, we're looking for Voice over IP. Select it. You're going to find this off. Turn it on. The second part, Ignore Notification Status, really makes no difference. That can be on or off. Once this is done, the next thing you might also want to do is to set up a schedule. You'll notice mine is set up from 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. Since I'm using this only when I'm not at home, I really don't want to be bothered with a phone call to let me know somebody's at the door earlier than 6 in the morning or later than 10 at night. That's where my WYZE home monitoring comes in, because if somebody's at the front door during those hours, they're probably trying to break in, and that's where WYZE will come in with my home monitoring, and they'll get the cops out there. So set up a schedule so when you're away from home and you use this, it doesn't bug you when you're not normally awake. You can adjust this to whatever is convenient for you. Once these settings have been made up, the next thing is to test and see how this works. So let me go back home to the home screen, and I'm going to go to the front door and ring the bell, and then we'll see what happens. My front door is ringing on my phone. Let me answer it and see who it is. And there's the front door. 3:21 p.m. was when I rang it. Voice over IP is working to notify me. And I guess that gives you the answer. It works like a charm. So when you're away from home, set this up, and when somebody gets to the doorbell, you'll know who was there, when they were there. You can even check the live view of the doorbell at any time when this is open. I was interested in at the time somebody rang the doorbell, which is automatically recorded anytime someone rings that doorbell. That's how easy it is. Hope it helps. Stay safe, stay secure. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.